So how to invest your first $100 in 2019. I'm going to show you 5 different ways on how to invest your first $100 on this video. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel everybody. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Oscar, and on this channel guys, we talk about personal finance, investing your money, the stock market, entrepreneurship, and all of that type of content in between. Okay guys, so if you do enjoy that type of content, I would consider subscribing if you have not. And as always guys, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and let's get straight into the video. All right, so you have your first $100 finally saved up, and you're not sure how you actually want to invest your money or what to even do with it. Okay, so you may be thinking to yourself, what can I actually do with the $100? It's not that much. Shouldn't I need $1,000, $10,000, $100,000? Well, the simple matter of the fact guys is that you really don't need too much money to invest with. Okay, in fact, even just $100 can build up so much money for you, especially in 2019 and with the internet booming and whatnot. Okay, so the first way that you can invest your first $100 guys is into your brain. Okay, like stack up on some books. Okay, stack up on a lot of business investing books and just gain your knowledge. Okay, if you have to waste $100 on like 100 books, then so be it, and just learn. Okay, there is no better way to invest than into investing into yourself. So if you can gain the knowledge on how to invest and just different types of mindsets and whatnot, then that is an extremely very powerful way to invest your first $100. Okay, now I get it, it might not be like the coolest way to invest your first $100, like holy crap dude, that's not gonna make me a millionaire, but it actually could if it changes your mindset. Okay, so if you can pick up the right books to read and whatnot guys, it can make a huge dramatic change into your lives. Okay, I know ever since I started reading more about personal finance and whatnot, it has extremely changed my mindset to the max. Okay, so reading is an important investment to make, so be sure to read. Okay, now the second way that I believe that you should invest your $100 guys is by investing into a course. Listen, there are many websites nowadays that provide plenty of cheap courses. Now some of those might be by scammers and whatnot, so you will have to do some research and some digging and whatnot, but you can go on some websites like Udemy and pick out a few courses that are less than $100. Okay, and just start learning something new, learn a different new valuable skill that provides more value into the marketplace that will bring you even more money. Okay, you could pick out a skill like drop shipping or something. Okay, like just learning how to drop ship, or even I don't know, how to copyright and whatnot. You can learn these different skills with just less than $100. So if you're able to take a course and learn a different skill set guys, then I would highly extremely suggest that. Okay, because polishing your skills even more to make more money guys is a pretty good investment to me. Now the third best way to invest your money in 2019 guys with just $100 is getting into the stock market. Okay, now listen, I'll be honest, investing into the stock market can be quite boring when you're waiting for your money to grow year after year. Okay, it can be very extremely boring just seeing your money slowly grow, but it is also a great way to create your wealth. Okay, and with just $100 guys, you can get started today with investing in the stock market. Okay, there are apps such as Robinhood with no fees and no minimum requirement that you can put your $100 to work. Or you could use M1 Finance, and you do need a minimum of $100 exactly, which is what you have, right? That you can put towards investing into M1 Finance as well. Okay, now listen, I do have links under the video description below, so if you decide to use those links to invest with those platforms, then you and I will get either a free stock or $10 or something like that. So now you're investing with even more than $100, okay, because you're getting that free stock or $10 or whatever. And that is a great way to invest $100, because now you can start investing into companies. Okay, you will own pieces of these companies, and slowly over time, little by little, as you deposit more and more money, you know, as you invest more money, you will grow your portfolio as well. So that's another great way to invest your money. Now number 4 on the list guys, and this is something that I'm doing right now, is considering starting a dropshipping business. Okay, now listen, I'm not making no millions right now off my business. Okay, so I'm not gonna bullshit you around and say that I'm making $1 million off one freaking product, which I'm not. But it is a great way to learn different type of value skill sets. Okay, such as customer service, learning how economics work, how, you know, just a lot of things. You will learn so much just off dropshipping. And even if you don't want to do dropshipping, learning some of the skills that you learn along the way is extremely helpful in the real world anyways. Okay, especially when you communicate back and forth with people on returns and whatnot, you'll pick up better skills on how to communicate with these people. And these are just some of the skills that you can learn from dropshipping. Plus, I mean, you can make some extra great money if you're doing it right. Even just flipping some cheap items from China on one night, flipping them over here for like 200% profit margin or something can work also. Okay, So that's another great way that I believe you can invest $100 in 2019. Because guys, e-commerce is slowly becoming the future, okay? More and more people are ordering offline than going to the store because it's all about time, okay guys? People value their times more than ever before, okay? So if you're able to provide something for someone online, then hey, you're making some money, which is also a great investment, all right? Now the fifth and final way that I believe you can invest your $100 in 2019, and this is a weird one that some of you may have never heard, but it's investing into your health, guys, okay? Listen, I'm not gonna bullshit you around and say that I'm the healthiest person, because I'm not. I'm not fit or anything. I mean, I know I gotta get into it, but it's just something that I haven't come across to too much. But listen guys, if you can take that first $100 and sign up for a gym membership or something like that and start, exercising and getting yourself in better shape, then that's one of the best investments that you can make for your own self, okay? Because without health, you have no wealth, okay? So if you're not taking care of your body, I mean, who is? No one else is going to take care of your body more than you. And remember guys, your body is your engine and you got to fuel it the right stuff. So you got to start eating right. Maybe take that $100 to eat some more vegetables or something, Now again, I know that may not be the coolest way to invest your first $100, but it is a great investment towards your own health. And if that isn't a great investment, then I don't know what is, okay guys? But anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you did enjoy that video. I hope you got some great value out of that video. I hope some of those tips will really help some of you guys out there. And as always guys, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Is there something else that you can add that you can invest with the $100? Let everybody know, alright guys? Also be sure to drop me a like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next one, alright? Later.